morning student. Welcome you all. I am your SST teacher Namita Sahu. Hope you all are in good condition. Today we are going to start a new lesson, chapter number 5, which is the land of ice and snow. Ice का मतलब है बर्फ, snow का मतलब है हिमपात. As you know that student, in the globe, the point at the top is called the North Pole and the point at the bottom is called the South Pole. Both the North Pole and the South Pole, that is called as the polar region. Polar means the frigid zone. Frigid का मतलब क्या है? Very cold. We have already learned this in chapter number 2. In North Pole there is Arctic Ocean and in the South Pole there is Antarctic Circle or Antarctic continent. There are 7 continents and 5 oceans in the world. The Arctic Ocean is surrounded by Asia, Europe and North America. This is because this region remains cold throughout the year, just like as the climatic condition of Jammu and Kashmir in winter season. Next is our Greenland. Greenland is an island which is the world largest island. Do you know what do you mean by island? Island का मतलब क्या है? Island is a piece of land which is surrounded by water on all sides. So students, in this chapter we will discuss about Greenland, its location, climatic condition, vegetation, life of the people, economy, transport, communication, culture, sports, etc. So let's start this topic with the help of this map. Look at this map, student. This pink area denotes Greenland. It's a island and also a member country of Denmark. Member country means Sadasya Desh. And Greenland is in which continent? It is in North America continent. Its capital is Nuuk or Goden. The Greenland is located in east. ग्रीनलैंड के ईस्ट में क्या है? कैनेडियन आर्कटिक आर्कीपेलागो. इट्स ए आइलैंड दैट इज इन बिटवीन द आर्कटिक एंड अटलांटिक ओशियन. आर्कटिक एंड अटलांटिक ओशियन के बीच में क्या है? दिस आइलैंड. विच आइलैंड? कैनेडियन आर्कटिक आर्कीपेलागो. ओके स्टूडेंट्स. नेक्स्ट, द टोटल population of Greenland is approximate, that is 56,770. It is a very least populated country, but in terms of area Greenland is the 12th largest country in the world. In the east of the Greenland there is Greenland Sea. In the west, Baffin Bay. Baffin Bay is also a sea. And in north, Arctic Ocean. And its south is Atlantic Ocean. And in this Greenland also, it has the world largest national park, that is Northeast Greenland National Park. All of you know students, what do you mean by national park? It is a place where the birds and animals are protected. Okay, and it is established by the government. All towns and settlements is a place where the people live, that is situated along the ice free coast. जहाँ पर बर्फ़ नहीं है वहाँ पर ज़्यादातर पीपल लिव करते हैं. एंड मोस्ट ऑफ द पीपल लिव इन आवर वेस्टर्न कोस्ट साइड. एंड The northeastern part of Greenland, which includes the, let's see the picture of tundra region. It's a part of Greenland. What do you mean by tundra region? It's a land where no trees grow, जहाँ पर कोई ट्री ग्रो नहीं करते हैं, and where the soil below the ground is always frozen. That means इसका जो soil होता है वो हमेशा जमा हुआ रहता है. Students, in this picture you have seen a bird. This bird is called as the penguin, which is in North America. Come to the next picture, student, that is iceberg. Iceberg क्या है? Iceberg is a large block of ice. मतलब बहुत सारे जो बर्फ़ रहते हैं वो जमा होकर रहते हैं, and then after it floating in water. So students, this is all about the location of Greenland. Thank you.